You've been trying to make the perfect paella for years. The rice keeps sticking. The sauerkraut never forms right, and every pan you've tried has let you down. What if I told you the problem isn't your recipe, it's your pan? Today I'm revealing the top 5 best carbon steel paella pans right now. From budget-friendly picks to professional-grade options, by the end of this video you'll know exactly which pan is going to transform your paella game forever. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, the Merton & Stork Pre-Seasoned Carbon Steel 12-inch Frying Pan Skillet. Now this one is a versatile pick, and here's why it made the list. This isn't just a paella pan, it's a full carbon steel skillet that handles paella, searing, sautéing, and even oven cooking with ease. The pre-seasoned surface means you can start cooking right away without any extra prep. The carbon steel heats up fast and evenly, which is exactly what you need for that perfect sauerkraut at the bottom of your paella. The 12-inch size is ideal for small to medium servings, perfect for couples or small families. It works on all stovetops including gas, electric, and induction. The handle stays sturdy and the build quality is impressive for the price. The downside? It's more of a skillet than a traditional paella pan, so if you want the classic wide shallow paella shape, keep watching. But for everyday versatility plus great paella results, number 5 is a solid pick. Moving up to number 4, the Yasekata 13.5-inch Carbon Steel Wok Pan Pre-Seasoned Flat Bottom. Now I know what you're thinking, a wok for paella? Stay with me here. The Yasekata's flat bottom and wide cooking surface make it surprisingly effective for paella cooking. The 13.5-inch size gives you plenty of room to spread rice evenly, which is critical for proper paella. The pre-seasoned carbon steel develops an incredible non-stick surface the more you use it. Heat distribution is exceptional, you get that beautiful even browning that makes paella so irresistible. The flat bottom means it works perfectly on all stovetops. Customers love how quickly it heats up and how easy it is to maintain. The downside is the rounded sides are slightly deeper than a traditional paella pan, but the results are still outstanding. If you want a versatile pan that does paella and much more, number 4 is an excellent value. Number 3, the Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron Dual Handle Pan 12-inch. This one is a legend, and for good reason. Lodge has been making cast iron cookware since 1896, and this dual handle pan is one of their finest pieces. The cast iron construction holds heat like nothing else. Once it's hot, it stays hot. This means your paella cooks evenly from start to finish with no cold spots. The dual handles make it incredibly easy to move from stovetop to oven, essential for finishing paella properly. The pre-seasoned surface gets better and better with every use. It's virtually indestructible. This pan will outlast you if you treat it right. The downside? Cast iron is heavier than carbon steel, so if you prefer a lighter pan, keep watching. But for pure cooking performance and lifetime durability, Lodge at number 3 is unbeatable. Number 2, the Sumigwan 13.5-inch Carbon Steel Wok Pan Pre-Seasoned Flat Bottom. This one almost took the top spot, and here's why. The Sumigwan delivers everything a serious paella cook needs. The 13.5-inch flat bottom gives you maximum cooking surface for spreading rice perfectly. The carbon steel is noticeably thicker than most competitors, which means better heat retention and more even cooking. The pre-seasoning is excellent right out of the box. Customers report almost zero sticking from day one. The wide flat surface creates the ideal environment for developing that perfect crispy sauerkraut at the bottom. It transitions beautifully from stovetop to oven. Cleanup is surprisingly easy for carbon steel. Customers consistently call this one of the best value cooking pans they've ever owned. So why is it number 2? Because our top pick does one thing that takes paella cooking to a completely different level. And our number 1 pick, the absolute best pan for paella right now, the 13-inch Carbon Steel Wok and Stir Fry Pan Non-Stick Pre-Seasoned Cookware. Here's why this takes the top spot. First, the non-stick pre-seasoned surface. This pan comes with a superior pre-seasoning that performs better than any other pan on this list right out of the box. Zero sticking from your very first cook. Second, the 13-inch size is the sweet spot for paella. Wide enough for proper rice distribution, shallow enough for even evaporation, this is exactly what authentic paella demands. Third, the carbon steel quality is outstanding. It heats up fast, distributes heat perfectly, and develops an incredible natural non-stick surface over time that just gets better with every use. Fourth, versatility. This pan handles paella, stir-fry, searing, sautéing, and oven cooking with equal excellence. Fifth, the value is unmatched. You're getting professional-grade carbon steel performance at a price that makes it accessible to every home cook. Customers are obsessed with this pan, calling it a complete game changer for their kitchen. If you're serious about making authentic paella at home, this is the only pan you need. Number 1. No contest. All product links are down in the description below. Go check them out and find the perfect carbon steel pan for your paella. If this video helped you, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for weekly honest kitchen and home product reviews. See you in the next one.